How to plug a tire that's leaking because you've got an object in it. This case, I have a nail right there, and I marked it with some spray paint so I can find it again real easily. Then get a good grip on it with some needle nose pliers and pull. And there it goes. Alright, how to plug a hole in the tire. First I located it. It was a nail right here. I marked it with some spray paint so I could find it again, and I took some needle nose pliers and I pulled that nail right out of there. Alright, I have a variety of tools here. I have a reamer to make my hole more even. This is a file to get the edges off, and then you've got this to plug it. First I insert the reamer into the hole and you just kind of drill it in there. Using a push and twist method, you'll get it in, you'll feel when it's in there, and then you just back it back out. Then you take the file reamer and you stick it in to clean up the edges. Then you take your tire plugger and you insert it in with this half-wide. Leave about an inch sticking in and then pull it out. Then you take a razor knife and just trim it off close to even with the tread. There you go. Inflate your tire. Mine, this one goes right at 35 pounds, and so we'll check it out. Next, mix you up some soapy water, a little Dawn or some car washing soap, anything like that, and then you want to brush it right on top of there and see if you see any new bubbles coming up. It'll blow a big bubble if there's something happening, and I'm not seeing anything, just the bubbles that came on the soap there. But you can see everything looks good. And that is how you patch a tire. Everybody should know how to do this. Tire kit like this, very inexpensive. I've just got a variety of pieces that I keep in a Ziploc bag and I keep on my shelf in the garage, so I'm always prepared.